All right, today I'm going to show you how to wash clothes, do laundry with Dr. Bronner's 18-in-1 Pure-Castile Magic Soap. Right here I have the baby unscented version. It has no scent to it. I'm going to show you how to use this magical soap to do your laundry. Now, this right here is concentrated. You see right here, it says 2 to 3 times more concentrated than other leading brands. This is Dr. Bronner's, and if you look on the side, it shows you how you can do laundry. And it says right here, let me get a little closer so you can smell it. All right, so right here it says laundry. It says 3 to 4 tablespoons in an HE. Right there, you can see that a little bit better. Maybe there. Hold on. See that? Maybe not. Laundry, 3 to 4 tablespoons for an HE washer, and double that for a standard. Now I'm going to be adding this to an high efficiency washer or an HE washer. So I'm going to use 3 to 4 tablespoons, and I'm going to go ahead and show you how I do that right now. Let's get to it. All right, so what I'm doing now is I'm adding the laundry to the washing machine like I normally would do. So added that, I'm gonna go ahead and shut the door. And now I'm going to add the soap to it. All right, so now I'm gonna add the soap to it. So this is an HE washing machine. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull open the detergent drawer, okay? And then I'm gonna take the soap, and it said 3 to 4 tablespoons. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the first one. And I'm gonna put it into the detergent part of it. So that's 1. Add it to that. 2. Since it's such a small load, I'm just gonna do 3. All right, so I'm gonna put that in there. And so I have the soap in there. Now once I have the soap in there, I'm just gonna shut this. And then I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna go ahead and start my laundry like I normally would. So I'm gonna turn it on. I'm gonna select the cycle for normal, extra rinse, and then I am going, since this is workout clothes right here, I'm gonna put it on hot, and then I'm just gonna start it, and just like that. That's how you use Dr. Bronner's 18-in-1 Pure-Castile Magic Soap, baby unscented, to do laundry. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.